Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a video in your Google Slides presentation. So first step, this is very simple. Let's say I want to add a video to this slide. I will go over here to insert and then click video. And right now it will show up this tab where it says YouTube or Google Drive. So select YouTube and then paste here your URL address of the video, and that way it will show the YouTube video. Or you can go over to Google Drive and upload the file that you have on your Google Drive or on your computer, and simply put the video like this. I will select YouTube, go over to this URL, press Command C or Control C if you are on Windows. That will copy the address, and then Command V or Control V if you are on Windows, and that will paste the address. Now press Enter, choose the video that you want, and click Insert. Right now it will insert the video, and it will start playing right here. So you can pause it, and you can see, let's say I want it here and a little bit bigger. You can make the size bigger, and easy as that, the video is here. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.